Q29b, solve for x. All right, so we have 5x plus 1 over 4 minus 2x minus 1 over 2 equals x squared. So what's the first thing I want to do? Multiply everything by 4. That should get rid of everything. So we have 4 multiplied by this, right? And 4, basically that 4 goes to both. 4 gets crossed out there, and this 2 gets crossed out there. So we end up with 5x plus 1 minus, now the minus acts on everything. This minus here acts on minus 2 and this minus 1. So minus 2 times everything, by the way. So let's just say minus 2 times 2x minus 1 equals 4x squared. 5x plus 1 minus 4x. Don't forget this minus 2 acts on this minus 1. Minus times minus is plus 2. Put this 4x minus 4x squared equals 0. All right, let's rearrange it. Minus 4x squared is 5x, and that 4x plus x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 0. So now we have to find two numbers that multiply to minus 4 and add to 3. Sorry, multiply to 4 times 3, which is minus, oh, you know what? Let's change the sign. I don't like negative over here. So that's equal to 4x squared, multiply everything by negative. Just change the sign for everything. So, multiplies, by the way, it stays the same, by the way. Something that multiplies to 12 and adds to minus 1. Well, that's easy, 4 and 3. And the bigger number is minus 4. So just break this term up. Minus 4x and a 3x. That equals to minus x, right? Then we have this minus 3 over here. Then we have this 4x squared over there. Now let's factor. Common factor here and here, 4x. And what are we left with? X minus 1. What's common between this and this? Well, plus 3. And what are we left with? X minus 1. So what do we have? 4x plus 3 times x minus 1 equals 0. Oh, by the way, all of this equals 0. Okay, so that means x equals 1 or 4x plus 3 equals 0 or 4x equals minus 3 or x